If you wanted to hide the secure folder and remove it from the app drawer on the Motorola Edge 70, first of all, we can go to the secure folder over here. We can enter our password in order to access the secure folder. Next, we're gonna go to these three lines in the upper left corner, and we have the stealth mode. And over here we have two options. We can use the stealth mode in the app tray, so the app drawer. We can enable the stealth mode in here. And also we can enable the stealth mode in MotoSecure, because you can also access the secure folder through the MotoSecure app, which you can find in the Moto folder over here. So essentially here you can usually find the secure folder, but of course this time it is actually hidden, so you cannot really find it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now if you actually want to access the secure folder, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Next, we're gonna go to security and privacy, then more security and privacy, and in here we have the secure folder, so we can go over here and then we can enter it. If you once again enter the password, of course. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.